Well, there's lots of exciting things happening at Whole Biome right now. The basic goal of our company is to try to develop therapeutics in a world in which we've never thought about therapeutics before. We've only really thought about killing bacteria. So Whole Biome refers to biome, which is the microbiome. And what the microbiome is basically all the bacteria and the viruses and the fungi, all these microorganisms that live on the outside and the inside of your body. And it turns out that this is a huge part of your body. So you have about a trillion human cells for an average person, and there are an average of 10 trillion bacterial cells that are on you and inside of you. So you have 10 times the number of cells. That equates to hundreds to thousands more genes that are dictating your health that are not your human genome. And so we want to understand, how do we tap into that whole microorganism ecosystem that is a part of us. And you can appreciate that we've evolved over time to have all of these microbes that are living on our skin. But over the last few decades, we've developed all these ways to get rid of all those microbes. And so we're constantly washing, some of us multiple times a day. We're getting rid of all of these things. And their purpose on us is to provide a barrier between the allergens in the outside world and our own immune response. And so what happens when you continually strip those away is your immune response has to deal with a barrage of all the allergens in the air, all the dust, the pollen, everything that normally there would be this barrier keeping it from dealing with your immune system are now gone. And so when we look at the incidence of allergies and asthma and all of the respiratory problems we have, that's because we are getting rid of all these microbes. So how do we live in a more healthy way? How do we start to bring back some of those protective microbes and not think of all of them as things that we need to kill? This is really the premise of my company, and it will change not only the therapeutic realm and the way that physicians think about health, but also how we as individuals approach our own health in our day-to-day activities.